What do you think would happen if we stopped using old technology? You might think we would start using more paper, which would require more trees. Although planting more trees would combat climate change and other major problems, it won't do much if we're using twice the amount of paper we're using now. It would be a negative graph. Every year we excessively use paper, the lower our tree population will get. Even if we replant them, the amount of carbon used to create paper is massive. Producing one tree's worth of paper can release around 110 pounds, 50 kilograms, of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. For context, a mature tree can absorb an average of 48 pounds, 22 kilograms of carbon dioxide annually from the atmosphere. This shows we would be better off just not using paper instead of using more paper. Since cutting down a fully grown tree can create almost 3 years worth of pollution, we would just be subtracting 1 and adding 2. We will never get to a time where we don't have global warming unless we just start using less paper and stop cutting down so many trees for other purposes. Although the supply and demand of paper would increase, thus increasing the number of trees planted, a single mature tree absorbs about 48 pounds, 22 kilograms of carbon dioxide annually, while a young tree of 20 years might absorb about 22 pounds annually. To match the absorption of one large mature tree, you would need a significant number of young trees. This proves that just planting new trees isn't going to work, because one old tree absorbs way more carbon than a new one. Not to mention it takes 20 years for it to start actually absorbing a good amount of carbon, so planting trees is good, but saving older trees is better.